For a forecast like this to appear, why I suspect that blizzard will be the best retreat of the year. My dears, I'll pack it once for the blizzard. Hats, gloves, and a good pants. With a bag this full, dear, there is a definite chance I won't have much room left to pack. All this great junk. Cheers.
That really just happened. How I actually just arrived. Jordan. You know, that was the smelliest and the longest bus ride. But now I've arrived at the Blizzard. I should put on my hood. Where is my hood? I'm going cold.
That retreat come blizzard up in the frozen north. This retreat come blizzard that I've waited for since birth.
And here's some Blizzard wisdom. Check your map if you can't find things. And if at Blizzard you're cold or you're numb, that's fine. Have hot chocolate, we don't mind it. We'll say to you things are about to begin. Some pyro up in the sky. Oh, that's how we'll begin. The Blizzard and I.
When I get to blizzard, my whole life will change. 'Cause once I get to blizzard, yes, no one will think you're strange.
Come back! That snowball was not meant for you. Thanks for reacting.
I'll get you when we're through.
And your leaders, they all love you. And after Blizzard, you're not the same. Listen, stay off the lake. It's not quite nice.
I don't know how to swim.
Talk battle. Oh, what a bit. Look, here comes the band.
Blizzard and I, band has come here to rock out for you. My dancing is so superior.
Man, I'm kind of embarrassed right now. They make us look so inferior.
Enough of the band.
Enough of the band.
Let's talk about me.